what does today's Supreme Court order means for stray dogs of Delhi NCR? We break it down for you. The Supreme Court today has now gone back on its previous order where it had in fact directed locking up of all stray dogs across Delhi NCR into shelter homes. Now the Supreme Court has said that the previous ABC rules should be thoroughly implemented, which means that the dogs will be picked up from their localities, they will be sterilized, vaccinated, but left back from the exact location they were picked up from. Now the Supreme Court has also directed MCD to come up with a helpline for those aggrieved by frivolous dog feeders. The Supreme Court clarified that it cannot be that dog lovers can go on to feed dogs wherever they want. The Supreme Court said, as in the current ABC laws, there must be designated areas within societies, colonies for feeding of stray dogs. The Supreme Court said that these laws should be thoroughly followed. Now, what is more important is that the Supreme Court has extended the scope of this suo motu case. The Supreme Court has now issued notices to states and union territories seeking their response on how a national policy should be framed when it comes to dealing with stray dogs across the country. The Supreme Court has also taken note that there are several cases pending with regards to this issue across High Courts. The Supreme Court has said that they can approach the High Court. However, the top court clarified that if any NGO or animal lover or anyone wishes to implead or be part of that larger hearing, they must pay 25,000 to 2 lakhs as a fee to be part of that hearing. Now this is kind of a housekeeping measure by the top court so that not everyone comes forward and says that hear us, but it will make sure that people who have actual facts and who are genuinely concerned about issues of animal rights will come to the Supreme Court to present their facts. Today's order is in fact coming as a big relief to those protesting on streets against the previous Supreme Court order, which they had called impractical and draconian. Now the Supreme Court has said that for now the dogs of Delhi NCR can roam free on the streets provided they are vaccinated and sterilized.